Hello and welcome to OptinMonster. In this video, we're bringing you 5 upselling tips to boost your average order value. To upsell means to persuade a customer to buy something additional or more expensive. So follow along for our best upselling tips. Our first tip is to choose the right upsell. There are many types of upsells, including the version upgrade, as seen here by Dollar Shave Club, where you get more perceived quality from each incremental product version. A similar example of this is when service providers offer incremental value depending on the pack you buy with them. Customization is another excellent upsell that gives customers the reins on how elaborate they'd like their product to be. Choose the upsell that makes the most sense for your product or service. Our second tip is to always offer the upsell. The more upsell opportunities you show customers, the more chances they have to take one. So, show your upsell everywhere, including product pages, pricing pages, when people add items to cart, or when a customer reaches a success milestone. Number 3, personalize your upsell. Research shows that customers are more likely to buy when a retailer gets personal, and OptinMonster's smart tags allow you to address your customers by name. Beyond using their name, you can also share an upsell based on how a customer has interacted with a previous campaign. Tip number 4 is to use urgency. If your upsell is available for a limited time only, or there are limited quantities, you'll want to highlight this in your marketing. One way to do so is with an OptinMonster countdown campaign like this floating bar. Having a time limit on the upsell will help your customer overcome procrastination and take action. Tip number 5 is to follow up via email. While many customers may not take you up on your upsell at checkout, consistently offering it via your email marketing, like Scott's Cheap Flight does, gives your customers an extra and consistent opportunity to cash in on your best offers. Best of luck to you in your upselling efforts. We have integrations with all the major email marketing service providers, including MailChimp, Aweber, ConvertKit, and many more. OptinMonster works on all types of websites, whether you're using WordPress, Squarespace, Magento, Shopify, or a static HTML website. OptinMonster will seamlessly integrate with your website. Get started with OptinMonster today.